Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. Last week we took you to Kakabeka Falls, we said goodbye to some great friends, old and new, and we headed out from Thunder Bay, Ontario to Winnipeg, Manitoba. This week we will take you on a hike of our new campground. Hope you enjoy.
You ready, Jill?
Four.
We're going on a hike now.
Oh yeah, we're good. Just putting my shoes on and making a mess, sorry. Let's go on a hike. We're overdue.
So where's this hike?
I had a lot of dinner too, so we need to go on a hike.
Where's this hike?
It's in the park. It's at Great Woods?
Great Woods.
Great Woods Campground. I can never remember the name of this place. And there's a river, follows the river.
Yeah, so we have to go over a suspension bridge first, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then it's like a 5-kilometer hike. Are you ready for that?
Yeah.
Okay. Should we bring the dogs?
Let me grab this here.
Oh, thanks.
Yes. Is that a bit better?
Yeah, better. I'm gonna leash up the dogs.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go.
Okay.
So, like, what's the rule?
About.
You get to hold the camera so you don't have to pick it up? Is that the rule?
Pick what up? What are you talking about?
Yeah. Pick what up? Pick what up? Bridge manners. Pets on a handheld leash always. This should be interesting.
So this is nothing like the suspension bridge at Thunder Bay, is it?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Not as long, not as high.
But it's still cute. And it was built by volunteers just to get us to the other side so we can go hiking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's go check out those hiking trails.
Let's go. Doc doesn't want to come.
Oh, well, pull him a little bit. You didn't want to come this way, Doc? Not interested? Oh, okay. Let's go.
Don't be silly on here.
Hate spider webs.
I'm actually nervous.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
What if there's a bear?
want to get that spider web for me?
Oh my goodness.
It's like pretty hardcore, isn't it? Oh my god, it's like a guitar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm losing them. Definitely losing them. Oh, there they are.
So we're at Great Woods Campground in Beausejour, Manitoba, and quite a lovely campground actually, very nice.
Very nice. It feels almost like we're in a provincial park, which is lots of woods and trees and...
Yeah, they didn't clear a big plot of land, they actually left original vegetation, which is really nice. So we've got some privacy on our spot.
And which, great that we fit in a spot, because usually spots like that, we don't fit in.
Although I did scratch the truck a little bit to getting in, remember?
Yeah.
But that happens.
You did have to maybe prune a few trees.
Great spot though, very nice.
Yeah.
Well taken care of, beautifully manicured grounds. Really a great park.
And the owners, Karen and Ron, amazing people.
Fantastic.
Amazing. They've helped us out, with internet issues, and just really kind people that just amazing.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, subscribe and hit that bell. See you next week as we explore more of Winnipeg.